Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. We are the reporters of Group 9, and our topic is all about consumers cooperative.
My name is Rina Gulomo.
And my name is Martin Fernandez.
And I am Josel Camilotes.
First, what is consumers cooperative? A consumers cooperative or co-op is a type of business owned and operated by its customers for their mutual benefits. Instead of being driven by profit for outside shareholders, a consumers aims to provide the goods and services for its members at fair price. Cooperative structure. First, member-owner control through electing board of directors. Second, democratic governance via member participation and voting. Third, bylaws outlining governance, operations, and member rights. Fourth, a board of directors overseeing operations, hiring management, and ensuring goals are met.
So, I will discuss the functions and services of consumers cooperative. So, first is the function. So, first, to provide quality goods, services, and other needs of the cooperatives. And second, to establish prices of commodities and services. Third, to provide direct link between the producers, and consumers. Fourth, to mobilize savings for capital formation. And fifth, to undertake continuous cooperative education. So that's all for the functions. So next is the services. So, nag-provide sila of centralized procurement or bulk purchasing from retail suppliers for cost, quality, efficiency. Next is the member support. Ensure timely access to essential at fair prices, share market updates. Next, capacity building. Train members in leadership group responsibility and cooperative principle. Next, collaboration. Partner with other cooperatives for mutual growth. And the last is education. Continuous learning for member, staff, and community. That's all from my end.
So, in benefits, joining a consumers cooperative offers several benefits. First is access to goods and reasonable prices. Second is patronage refunds, a portions of net savings based on purchase. Third is interest on shares. Fourth is reduced market harness, price hugging, and search for quality goods. Fifth is avoidance of impulse buying. Sixth is development of positive habits and attitudes for social and economic environment. In conclusion, Philippine Consumers Cooperative pioneered by institutions like UPLB and Soliman University empower communities through collective purchasing, affordable goods, and profit sharing. By prioritizing educations and collaborations, they foster equitable growth and resilience, providing unity, drives sustainable and inclusive development.